Hello everybody, I promised you I would give you a video on how to access Screencastify in order to create a video for your presentation for the ESY project. So I just want to show you how to access Screencastify, what it's like, how to record the video of you speaking, which is what I'm doing currently. These are all the videos that I ever post for you guys that are all on YouTube. I use Screencastify in it every single time. Now, I have the paid version of it. It's the unlimited version where I can create as many videos as I want and have it as long as I want. You're not going to have that because, I don't want you paying for it. You're just going to use the free version. But you can make a free version up to like 5 minutes long or whatever without it, turning off on you. So you should be fine with this. You don't have to show your picture. You don't have to show, a little webcam picture in the corner if you don't want to. I never usually do that anyway because no makeup, bad hair, don't care. So I always just don't show my face. So you don't have to do that either. You can just speak. So what I want you to do is, all of you probably don't have this loaded as an extension on your Google Chrome yet, but I want you to open up a Google Chrome website on the internet and just search Screencastify. And when you do that, it should come up as like your first thing that you come up. So it does come up here. You're going to click on that. It's the #1 screen reader for Chrome. You would click on that. And now it's going to say here screencasting for all. It already is installed on mine, so I can't show you what it's going to be like, but there's going to be a button here instead that's going to say add to Chrome, and it's going to say free. So you're going to click on that, and when you click on that, it's going to download it onto your Chrome toolbar, which is all the way up here. So you notice that this is your web page, what you're on right now, and then next to it here is where you're going to see all your extensions. So my extensions are all here. I can even click on here and show you the other extensions that I use. A lot of you also use SnapRead. This is a highlighter for PDFs, PlayPosit, Into Words. Grammarly is great for like grammar, things like that. So all of my Chrome extensions that I use are here, but the one that I use the most obviously is Screencastify. So when you go on it, you're going to click on this little arrow here, video recorder. Okay, so I'm recording right now, and you can see that recording is, I'm at 2 minutes and 37 seconds, okay? So if I did not want to do this video, I would click this and I would delete it. I can go back and then redo part of it. I can pause it and then go back to it if I want to, and then I can stop it. Okay, when you first come up and you click on this, you are going to see that it is going to show you if you want to use a webcam picture, or if you just want to use the picture of your entire like screen and that's it, and not do a webcam. I was just not doing the webcam because your face, you might not want to show it, and then also too is that it does slow down your computer a lot when you use the webcam. So I choose not to use it a lot. So it's going to come up with that, and you click on the choices that you want right in this box, and then you would click on start, and it would give you 1, 2, 3, and then it would start it, and it would ding to let you know that it is starting. Okay, so you can when you press stop, it's going to download it for you in your Google Drive. So all of you know how to access your Google Drive. Google Drive is super easy to access. I'm not going to press stop right now because I want to show you guys everything. So your Google Drive is obviously here. You're probably going to have like a new Google Drive thing come up in your folder that's going to say Screencastify, and that's where you can access the videos. Or if you really want to, you can always download them to YouTube, but that's totally up to you. I do that just so it's easier for you guys and to download a video for that. So again, this is really super easy. You could even click on, when I click on this, I can actually see all my other recordings. So it says my recordings here. I would click on that, and it would take me to everything I have ever recorded. So as you can see, I have a ton, because I started doing this like way back when we started, like I think in March, even before we went out of school. So I have a ton of screencast videos, readings, things like that, and you would just click on them. You can also delete them too if you don't want them anymore, but they're all here for you. So yes, you're going to have the option of either putting them into Drive. They automatically share to Drive, but you can also download to YouTube, and then it'll just say download to YouTube, and then you would click on, you would say copy the link, and that's what you would post into Google Classroom when you're presenting your final project. So I can show you guys how to do that again on another video, but again, I'd have to like not be in screencast if I had to show you how that works. So I'm not too sure about how I'm going to do that yet, but we'll figure that out. So again, so to present, you can use this to present it just like I'm doing right now. Or you can, just share your screen with us on a Google Meet and talk about what your project was about. Okay. I also have a campaign website here that I created, just as a fake one, for myself, just as a model for you guys to show. So this is kind of like a layout of how I would want you guys to do it. And then you go through and talk about all your political party, your political views, your goals as president, what do you want to accomplish, and a little mini bio about you. And then I just added some pictures of like the White House and things like that. I posted a picture of myself, no judging, please, and things like that. Again, I told you you can change themes to this. These are all the different themes with different colors that you can choose. We're only going to have one page. I'm not going to make you guys do multiple pages. That's way too much. But if you want, you can always add another page to it and link it to this page. How to add text boxes, images, embed a link, and how to download from your drive. So these are like all my drive things. I can just literally add them in if I wanted to. All right, so there's going to be videos about that. There's going to be videos on how to post, how to create this, how to share it with me. Of course, when you share it with me, you would just click share with others, and you would put my email address in here. All right, so that is it, my friends. That's how to do a screencast and to show you my model project. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day.